Google says you can now edit a video by just talking to it. No timeline, no dragging clips around. You tell it what you want, and it does the cut. So I ran the scariest test I could think of. I took a clip from this channel and asked the AI to fix my own footage, live, on camera. I have no idea if this holds up. Let's find out together. So I went to vids.google.com, and it redirected me straight into this clean, surprisingly intuitive interface. One big Start a New Video button. No manual, no setup. But first, the honest part. This isn't free. Gemini Omni lives inside Google Vids, and Vids sits behind a paid Google plan. On a free account, you won't see it. And there's a catch worth knowing going in. The clips it generates are capped at about 10 seconds. Google says that's a choice, not a limit. So this isn't make me a 10-minute movie out of the box. So the real question isn't whether it can make video. It's whether it can take a clip I already have and actually fix it. Let's find out. The clip is too long. Can Vids trim it? To trim your clip in Google Vids, grab the blue playhead handle and drag it to your cut point. For CapCut, select your clip on the timeline, then drag the edge inward to trim it to the playhead. When it comes to timeline trimming, honestly, it was a tie. Captions are the #1 thing beginners assume is hard. In this benchmark, we test Google Vids auto captions versus CapCut auto captions on a clip. Then I opened Captions. Vids had already transcribed the clip, and one click let me swap between ready-made styles. This is exactly what a beginner needs. Readable captions, simple style choices, and no separate caption tool. Same clip, same job. Now let's test CapCut's captions. In CapCut, I added a text layer, typed Google Vids Captions, moved it into place, then opened animation and added a fade out. It took more manual work, but I had control over exactly how the overlay looked. Google Vids wins this round. The caption overlay was faster to place and easier to finish. Fix 3. B-roll. A talking clip gets stale fast, so I want to drop in some supporting footage. Can Vids actually find the right shots and place them for me? Or is this where it trips up? Let's find out. In Google Vids, I open the stock panel and search for footage of a video editor. One click added the result directly over Charlie, but it started as a small box. I resized it to fill the frame, opened show timing, and used its separate track to choose exactly when it appeared. That was straightforward, and I never had to change Charlie's original clip. The real question is whether CapCut gives me more control with the same amount of effort. Same job. In CapCut, there's no Find Me B-roll button here. I searched the stock library myself and drag each clip onto the timeline. More control, but more hands-on. In CapCut, I imported the B-roll and dragged it onto the timeline above Charlie. I opened the basic controls to resize and position the shot, then tested CapCut's effects and adjusted the playback speed. Every control was visible, but it took more hands-on editing than Google Vids. CapCut gives me finer control over the look and timing. Google Vids gets the basic overlay done faster. Tie. Google Vids is faster. CapCut gives more control. All right, verdict time. And honestly, there's no single winner here. It comes down to what you need. So I'm giving you 2 winners. If you want fast and simple, with 0 learning curve, Google Vids wins. You basically talk to it. It trims, it captions, it even finds B-roll for you. It runs right in your browser, nothing to install, and it saves as you go. For getting a clean edit without ever touching a timeline, it's genuinely impressive. If you want full control for free, CapCut wins. A real timeline, every frame in your hands, powerful effects, and it doesn't cost a thing. If you're ready to actually learn the craft and shape every little detail, that's your tool. So, 2 tools, 2 winners. Pick the one that matches where you are right now. Vids to move fast, CapCut to go deep. Either way, you just watched both do the exact same jobs. So now you can choose with your eyes open. Thanks for watching and spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed this hands-on comparison, please like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. Come back again for more honest AI tests and practical videos like this. Until we meet next time, take care and keep creating.